Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change email address on Gmail account, and is there any possibility that we can change our email address here. So first you just have to click your profile at the top right corner and then look for manage your Google account. Tap this button right here, and then what you're going to do next is to simply scroll down till you see this personal information. So click personal information and it will take you directly to another page. And what you're going to do here is to scroll down till you see this contact info email address. So once you tap this, you will see this address used to identify your Google account to you and others. You can change this address. So unfortunately, you can't change your email address here, but don't worry, there is this alternate email address if you want to use another email address in order for you to log in to your Google account and not use your main email address. Now, if you don't like this add alternate email address and you really want to change your email address here on your Gmail account, what you're going to do here is to simply ask for a help from their customer service or support team. So what you're going to do is to click this question mark icon and then scroll down till you see send feedback. Okay, so scroll down here, click this send feedback right here. Once you tap this, what you're going to do next is to send a message to their team. So click report an issue and then here choose an option. Let's just say manage or other. Okay, so describe your issue here is, for example, I'm gonna type an example here. You can copy this one or you can create your own. Everything is up to you. So you can say hello support team. Please help me or please do help me change my email address. I mistakenly set my email address to, and then you have to input or type your email address here. And please help me to change it to your desired email address. Okay. And then after that, you can say thank you. And then click this box below here. And then tap continue. And then after that, click submit. And you just have to wait for the customer service team to respond to your message. So all you have to do is to wait for the respond and hope for a positive feedback from their team to change your email address. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.